Hello there, how you doing? Jeff D, mcbizsolutions.com for your marketing tip of the week. So, what is the hottest buzzword in the world right now? Literally, in the world. And you know what I'm going to say. Artificial intelligence, AI. Now, AI is freaking a lot of people out, especially in the marketing world, right? Because as you probably know, AI is automating quite a lot of tasks that we used to do, that you used to hire people for and all that. And, a lot of companies are also looking at automation and consolidation as much as you probably know with the kind of the economic conditions today. But you know what? As a marketer or any other profession that you do, whether it's even technology or finance, right? You have to embrace it, right? So I'm going to answer the question for the marketers today. What is the single best marketing skill to have with AI? So what I'm going to say is you want to focus on two things: strategic prompt engineering and data-driven storytelling. Now, as you probably know as a marketer, storytelling is important. It's important also in sales, right? They always say facts tell, stories sell. You've already heard that before. So why does it matter, right? So, you know, as you know, especially with prompt engineering, all AI tools are only as effective as the inputs that you give them. So what you want to do is, first you want to craft a smart, clear, content-rich prompt. So what is a prompt? A prompt is essentially when you go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and you have a prompt, right? So you want to make sure the question that you're asking or the information that you're trying to receive back is very clear, smart and content rich. You don't want to ask a very general question because then you're going to get a very general answer. So the first thing with prompt engineering, what I suggest you really do is, go to, learn about how to do good prompts. And that's what AI is all about, right? What is a prompt? It's kind of like a search, right? In the back in the days, pre-AI with Google, you would put something in, a question at the search bar. Really, that's what a prompt is. Because then it will go out to the intelligence of the world and provide an answer for you back. The second thing is you want to translate AI generated insights into persuasive human centered narratives, aka storytelling. And we talk about the human connection. The human connection is absolutely important for you to make some progress, whether it's telling a story, marketing, sales, selling a product or service, getting a job. I always talk about this even as a recruiter. Storytelling, right? How did you get to a place that where you were? How did you solve a problem? Storytelling. Anything that's AI generated, you want to turn it into persuasive human centered narratives. So another tip with that is when you prompt something, get an answer back. You don't cut and paste that into something else. Humanize it. Tell a story. So what does this do? The skill of understanding prompt engineering and data-driven storytelling is it allows you to understand your audience. You knowing how to ask AI the right questions, and you want to turn data into emotionally resonated content because emotions sell. You ever get pressured into a sale and it's always on emotion? Buy this car today. Very similar. And also you're applying insights in context, whether it's your campaign strategy, personalization, or SEO. So you don't need to compete with AI, but you need to collaborate with it. And we always talk about collaborating and embracing it because those who know it will drive the machine, not just ride it, right? They'll drive it and lead the future of marketing. So I know it's hard. I know it's like crazy. The world is crazy today with everyone's talking about AI, but I would say as a marketer, definitely embrace it, and you'll definitely have a very fruitful career going forward. Have a good day. Jeff D, mcbizsolutions.com. Any questions, let me know.